track and field star in many different ways, just a tremendous athlete. Please welcome Tracy Lawyer. Tracy?
Tracy Lawyer was a three-time All-American in the heptathlon and was the 1999 NCAA champion in the event. She preceded her NCAA heptathlon title with a runner-up performance in 1998 and a third-place finish in 97. From 1997 to 99, Lawyer won 3 consecutive Pac-10 titles in the heptathlon, becoming the only woman in Pac-10 history to accomplish that feat. She still ranks as Stanford's record holder in the heptathlon with 5,855 points. A native of Santa Barbara, California, Lawyer graduated from Stanford in 1999 with a degree in biology. A two-sport athlete, Lawyer was also named the 1998 Pac-10 Player of the Year in women's soccer, leading the team in scoring with 111 goals. She was a two-time first-team All-Pac-10 choice as a midfielder. Coach Adric Floreal says it best about Tracy. A terrific two-sport athlete with tremendous leadership skills and a wonderful personality. Tracy is the nicest person I know. And this evening, we add one more event to the heptathlon as Tracy enters the Stanford Hall of Fame right here with all of us this evening.
Taught me that in order to see my potential in track, I had to take risks physically and mentally if I was going to be the best. I would have never experienced the success that I had in track here at Stanford if it wasn't for him. So thank you for never giving up on me and constantly pushing me to be the best. And to my wonderful family, first I wanted to mention my husband, Sydney. Even though we didn't know each other during my athletic career, he has supported me through one of the hardest times in my life, and that's getting through medical school. Thank you for being patient with me, and I can't wait to start the next journey with you and being new parents in February. To my brothers, David and Carrie Lawyer, I have watched and admired both of you as we've grown up. You guys are my role models. I wouldn't have become an athlete that I was if it wasn't for you. You have led by example, both good, maybe not so good on the other side, but I have learned from all of it. I am so proud of you guys and very proud to be your little sister. To my father, David Lawyer, who is no longer with us, but his spirit constantly surrounds us. He was no doubt my #1 fan in the sports arena. The one thing that he taught me, he always put education before athletics. He taught me the importance of education and how the power of teaching can influence and change people's lives forever. And that is what I will always carry in my heart for the rest of my life. And to my wonderful, wonderful mother, who has sacrificed so much to see me happy and to see me succeed. She has flown or driven all over the country to see me compete since I was little. And I truly appreciate you physically being there for me because it always let me know that I was never alone. Thank you for raising me with no boundaries or ceilings and constantly reminding me that anything is possible in this world. And finally, since graduating in '99, I have lived amongst the Boise State Broncos. I have endured the Big Ten fans while in medical school at Ohio State. And now I live deep in the SEC country at the University of Mississippi Medical Center. But no matter where I end up, I will always be a Stanford Cardinal.